be the girl with Gbola. If I no tell man say I get am, the man no go know. So guys, come with me, let me tell you the reason why I no call the date man again. If I don't fall in love with man finish, at the end of the day when the man don't find out, the man go come change character. He no go take me serious again. He go tell me say no be person like me he dey look for, just because of the fear of wetin they get I get am. Some I even get the one where big pass their own.
China people, things they really occur for this life when me and you dey so. The girl with Toto and Prick don't come out to explain to the general public within her ugly experience with men, how it take be. She say a lot of men really dealt with her. Among my people, she talk a lot of things. The one way break my heart be the one where she talk say a man will claim to love her the way she is, come secretly video her, come dey threaten am with that video, say make she dey pay him money or else he go release the video. Now so she can spend all her last card just to please the man. Omo, no be small thing, my people. Make I play the video, make una listen to wetin this girl talk. Her story will seriously melt your heart. Omo, things they occur for this life. Make we watch the video. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. This is your first time of seeing my channel. My name is Richest TV. Do well to subscribe, turn on post notifications, so whenever we drop to you like this, you'll be the first to be notified. My name is Richest TV. You are me girl on board. This channel no bringing news they carry come. This is the tutorial body. This is the tutorial brain. As the neko come now, so we dey carry come give you now. Stay safe out there. Watch the full video. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.
Man, when I no tell say I get Gbola, if they later find out when we don't enter room, some go they cast, they bind me like say I be evil spirit. Why some go even run leave the bed for me if I no gree stand up? They go tell me say they never see this kind of thing before. Now their first time to see something like this. Some go even say I be man. Why you dey pretend say you be woman? Some go want react immediately. I go come they beg them. I no go even get choice that to show them the other part, so that they go believe say na the two things I carry. Me, I be girl with Gbola. Some men, when they don't gist me, toast me finish, when I don't gree for them, if they carry me go their house, if they later find out, they go ring alarm, they go shout. Some go say make I pay them the money where they don't spend for me all this while. Some go say make I pay them, say they don't want that person like me. Some go fear, some go run, some go shout Jesus, some go say hey God, who do me this thing? As you can see, me I be girl with Gbola. I dey fear to agree for man. I dey fear to say yes, because when I don't say yes finish, if I tell them who I be, then they wrong, they no dey agree they stay. Me I be girl with Gbola. If I don't fall in love with man finish, at the end of the day when the man don't find out, the man go come change character. He no go take me serious again. He go tell me say no be person like me he dey look for, just because of the fear of wetin they get I get am. Some I even get the one where big pass their own. Some they go tell me say see oh, so me and you, out of me and you, who go do each other? Because wetin you carry e big pass my own, so now we who go do each other? My own big pass their own. So they confuse and they say na normal something. I go follow my go house. At the end of the day, the man go dey cast evil spirit. At the end of the day, the man go dey holla say who be this? Say no be wetin I order for be this. So many questions go begin to dey come. Some go say how come you get this front and you can't get this thing? Some go say wetin happen? So many questions, guys. So I don't to answer question when we say e don tire me to answer. The reason why I no dey date man again na because of too much question from men. Some go say how come? Some go say wetin happen now? Na so you dey take born you, na so you take grow. Too many questions, guys, go dey come. So na the reason why you see me say I tired to dey date man. When I start to date, since I start to date my fellow girls, the whole question and the whole issue come over, because the girl already understand say I get am. So you no go ask me. If I dey ask girl out, I go ask people when be say they know me. Person when be say you know person when know me, na them I dey fit dey ask out. I no dey fit dey ask stranger out. If I come still ask stranger out, girls wey be stranger, if I ask them out, they go say I be less, say I be lesbi, say I no be man. So why I come want them? Why I wan date them? So guys, to avoid so many questions, I dey follow people when be say they know me, or person when he know person when he know me. Na him I dey date as a girl. So now they understand me and take me to be who I am today. So thank you for watching this.
Thank you all for watching my videos, for always commenting and liking. Today I've come to answer this question that people used to ask me. If I do menstruate, if I dey see my period, yes, I dey see my period. I dey see my period with my pussy. Yes, but I no dey wear pad just as una dey wear pad. When the time come for me to see my period, I dey use cotton wool. I dey use cotton wool instead of pad. Na wetin I dey use be that. So for those of you wey dey ask me if I dey see my period, yes, I dey see my period very well. If you ask me how you dey talk sef, I dey see my period like this. Ask me how you dey talk. So guys, and another question that I want to answer you guys is, do you date man? Yes, I was dating man before, but not now. I have answered to that question. If you watch some of my video, you will see the video where I talk about it, the reason why I stopped dating men. So guys, please, anytime I see your question, I'm going to answer. I'm going to answer you. Some people still say, have you give birth to a child? The answer is no, but a woman gave birth to me. Some people still say, do you release sperm as a man? The answer is yes, I do release sperm as a man. Yes, I can pregnant a woman. So some people say I look like a woman. So why do I act like a man? Why do I have the other side of a man? The question is that, the answer is that I am not the one to answer that, because I am not the one who created myself. So I want to say thank you for all your questions, all your comments. I am always seeing your comments. I go through all your comments. And I know the ones to answer and the ones not to answer. It's not every question that I can answer. Hope you guys know that. So thank you for watching.